like gems?
Why not?
Then take it.
I like gems very much.
Hey, may I show structure with these gems?
What structure?
Give it to me. Guess it.
Give me a clue.
1 second. This is the clue. Oh, I know.
What is it?
It's a structure of water.
Hey, look here, the ice is melting.
Yeah. I'll ask a question.
Ask me.
Why is it melting?
At 0 degrees Celsius, the ice will melt.
What is the temperature?
Melting temperature.
Another name of it? Melting point, yes.
Hey, observe here, the water is boiling.
Yeah, what is boiling at 100 degrees Celsius?
100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of water.
Hey, now we revised many things.
Structure of water
Melting point of ice.
and boiling point of water.
Thank you.
Thank you.